Hey friends, and welcome to week 14. So we've got two turn-in dates this week, and really what this week is all about is sort of illustrating that we understand the process we went through with Essay 3. So if you remember with Essay 3, we started with a research question. Now that research question was sort of built for you, right? In that it was like, is this article or is this meme accurate? Sort of built out for you. Piece of cake. Now, with Essay 4, you've got to sort of develop your own research question based upon a practical problem, and then we're going to work our way through it. But the process is still the same. We're going to break that large question into smaller questions. We're going to research the smaller questions, find research answers, synthesize that information to an answer to our large question, and then we're going to try to push that another level, which is, well, what's the practical solution here? So we might understand the why behind the problem. We might understand the what that causes this, but then we need to think through the second set of things, right? What do we actually do about this? Okay. So this week, look over your feedback on Essay 4 proposal. Should have that back to you tomorrow at the latest. That'd be Friday at the latest. If all looks good, just break your central research question down, submit them to the assignment box, look over your feedback on the Essay 4 research questions, start researching, working to answer the questions, and then complete research check-in 1. And that's all just down here, okay? Everything is right here, ready to roll for you. There's just a Monday folder and a Thursday folder there. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know.